In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete your Google Chrome sync data. To begin, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu icon. From that menu, select Settings. This will take you to Chrome's Settings page. On the left side of the screen, you will see a sidebar with different sections. Click You and Google. Next, click Sync and Google Services. This page gives you access to the features connected to your signed-in Chrome profile. On this page, click Review Your Sync Data. Chrome will open a page that shows the types of information currently being synced to your account. Take a moment to review this page carefully so you understand what is included. Now scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Near the bottom, you will see the option labeled Delete Data. Click that option to begin the removal process. Chrome will then ask you to confirm your choice. To finish, click Delete in the confirmation prompt. Once you do that, Chrome will wipe your sync data from Google's servers. That covers everything you need to know.